Hello, Spy Boy. Hello, Stream. I am just fixing things here. And the link, everyone on. I am just fixing that twice. Spy Boy. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another live stream. Today, we're going to be looking at gold. Gold has been tanking and on the weekly and monthly. But, yeah, last three last three candles here are bearish. So we're gonna see and try and see if we can get more of this push, or if it's just another pullback. We're gonna break down that pullback and see where we can enter for some buys. Oh, speaking of, in my meta trade. For anyone that was waiting for the live stream yesterday, really sorry about that. Had another technical issue, but forward we will be continuing with live stream as always, Monday to Friday. We are busy with some things as well, so you'll be able to see some new changes coming soon to BPI and Pink Sand and live. So let's start with gold. Oh, got this month. Start with our monthly as always, check for long-term direction of a pair. So looking at it here, we are still within this range that has been created since this 2020, 2 years now that we've been here, this range. So if we look at it more, ice pushed back, pushed up here, created big impulse, and created new highs on the same year, 2020, in August. Now having that retracement, that pullback, and now giving us somewhat of a bear flag pattern. We could see it going down below here, but highly unlikely. For price is, you know has been staying in this area for quite a while now. Yeah, guys. So weekly higher low here has just been broken, as well as our daily higher low. Gonna remove high here. And price, for the most part, is creating this pullback. So I would not say that this is a strong enough movement for us to believe that price is now switching to other direction. That, as we can still see here, price still has this big impulsive movement, and this one candle here, was only broken down by what, 1, 2, 3 candles. So unless we see more push below, maybe up to this next daily higher low here, but actually here price did try and attempt to reach that area. Yeah, you can still see some cells. Only reason why I'm not gonna look at some cells for now is because when we go on our 4 hour, we're gonna see a lot of rejection. So how do we? So I think this is also one of the things that I've developed personally the past few weeks, is how to trade in a rejection, right? So in a rejection zones are, so if you don't know what a rejection zone is, rejection zones are areas in which price is expected to create a pullback or pushback, from where price is going at the moment. So for example here, right, we see price going down, hit that first rejection zone, pulls back up, bounces up, pushes down again a second time, and pushes back up, pushes down. Now it does push back up here, but only for one candle, not that much. So basically this is where the area, where we try to avoid traps of sellers and buyers. This is where, price is expected to be, um, like creating these kinds of movements because of sellers closing their trades or maybe some buyers taking some buys. Same thing here in our upper rejection. So the upper rejection zone here was hit once and then continued. So this was a very good movement here. Now we could see here that price respected this well. And if you see, like, why did we have this big bearish momentum? Turn on Excelsius, turn on our institutional volume. We are going to expect, well, I don't see it here, but guessing it's probably on the daily. Gonna be a lot of pressure here. Yeah, there you go. So there's a lot of pressure here that happened. That's why I have that bearish moment. Anyway, go back. How do we trade within a rejection zone? So a rejection zone, is not something that you should expect price to tell you that, prices go, oh, okay, we hit the rejection zone. Price is expected to go the opposite direction now. No, not necessarily, because there have been instances where a price has been within the rejection zone for longer than, only meant to show you that there will be eventually, like another pullback, such as this, but there will also be times. Okay. And to show you a better example, we have here gold. So gold, when it entered the upper rejection zone back in February, right? It stayed here for quite a long time. So even though, so here we see pushing up, we do see those pullbacks still trying to push up, but ultimately it until March, so about 3 weeks here. Yeah, about 3 weeks here. Staying within this area. Tried to push up, but again was pushed back down, and now price stabilized. So yeah, there are instances where we will be able to. So how do we trade within a rejection zone? So within a rejection zone, I would do this mostly on our lower time frame. This was something I was supposed to take but missed it, so we're gonna take a next one. Ultimately, we have two here. We can take the buys or still sells. So we've already established our direction long term, okay, and now short term as well. But that does not mean that we are looking only for one direction to go to. We can look for both ways, buys and sells. So here we created our 1 hour, and because we are approaching this daily higher low, I will not enter any sells unless we break down daily. So this is the only time, excuse me, this is the only time I will be looking for some sells. Price breaks down this level at 1844.610. For buys, on the other hand, I would go to much more lower time frame here. Oh wow, this could have been a good entry. Well, looks like missed it there, but we have another for high here marked by Celsius. Try to decide the moment. Risky. Long position here. Our last higher low. Tops are at 870. That's 8 points, right? 8 points, yes. I'm gonna lower it more. 10. Are at 0.96. Forward. Back up. Now, is this a good play? Not invalid, but it is extremely high risk. Why is it a high risk? So, see here, price has entered our rejection. Created range, back up. Now, it created this lower high here, broke it down, trying to retrace. I'm just worried if they're going to enter, like, if price does, create that higher high and higher low, pushes back up, could look for some entries. But next target is that weak higher low. So we might already be play here. What the fudge? Places that we could have entered instead be from So what I'm trying to do right now is one of our, classic or one of our main strategies or entries used in PI, which is the rejection zone. Or the rejection entry. But here, what I'm doing with it is I'm using rejection entries with rejection zones in our market structure given by given by Excelsius. I also, well, of course, look at institutional volume to look at the most sensitive areas to look for trades for entry, where a lot of traders, buyers and sellers enter. Here though, yeah, I think we're pretty late here, unfortunately. Could look for some more buys, but reason why, so we are looking for entries of rejection entries on the lower time frames because it is basically trying to we're trying to go against the flow for just a bit, right? We're not swinging it. Why not? Well, price is try to approach this daily higher low, right? And corresponding to that, we see that price entered those rejection zones from the 4-hour, 1-hour, and the 15-minute and lower time frame, right? So this ultimately here, this 4-hour candle was the rejection. That was it. Fortunately, I was not able to catch this move. So no lower highs were made here, but go to the 5-minute. So I do rejection zones on gold, particularly in some pairs, not all pairs, on the 15-minute and 5-minute. So here, this would have been, well, actually even here, but this is for highs. This would be one. Break of test. You could even enter this without that retest. That jump. How much was it? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Fucking 10 points. 10 points on your lot size and your broker's value of gold. This could have been a good bag. But yeah. Fuck. Wanted to take this trade. Anyway. Well, this looks so beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy this for a moment. For anyone that's watching right now, are there any trading pairs, that you would like to trade? to do a trade breakdown, or some pairs, some pairs that you are looking at right now, we can look at together forever and always. We will continue being the legends that we are. Trade, look for more opportunity. So we are going to be trying something in the future, which is actually, you know what? Maybe tomorrow. Let's try it tomorrow. Um, we will be having people coming onto the stream, join us, give us your questions, and we're all going to be doing this on Discord. If you do not know the uh, Discord channel, by the way, let me get a quick invite. Posting. Okay, there you go. So tomorrow, I will set up. I will set up voice channels on our general chat, and during the stream, we will choose, just to limit the people joining as well. A viewer or a member to come in on the live stream, talk about a trade, talk about a pair, talk about anything with trading in um and we can still, we can still have everyone during the stream. So like, how do we do that so you don't get okay, so I will stream simultaneously on Discord and on YouTube, so that you can see both, real time. Well, if you're with me on the stream, you don't have to ask me the questions on the YouTube chat anymore. Yeah, you can just ask it directly on Discord. Well, since we are not gonna be looking for some buys anymore here, well, I'm still looking for some buys. Not there. So yeah, initially I wanted to look for it 15. Not looking so hot. Not so spicy for me today. Look for some cells. Look for too loud. Hey guys, we are taking BPI to a whole new level. Look out for our announcement over Discord and our social channels. Very, very exciting. Very, very exciting indeed. Every advancement that we make, BPI or in Pink Sand in general, even Excelsius, um, is all for betterment of the trading industry, create more new traders just like us, create like a safe environment, not based on, on lifestyle. IDA. My broker updates. Yeesh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sell, 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 sell. So okay, so the high low here also marked on the 5 minutes and the seat fell on 15 are where we would like to sell. Do not like this, like it at all. One, approaching the daily higher low, a lot of pressure. Two, the higher lows are quite low. So I'm kind of leaning in for the buy here that's currently happening. Okay, 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 okay. Time, decision time, decision here. Profits up. Wait for test or do. Oh, this is just okay. Let's look at the 5 minute. Oh, okay. Still see. Oh, eh, okay. Price could just pull back here because of that rejection zone. So we're gonna wait for that before we take. No, now been what's this time? Watch and see. Watch and see. Wait and see. Staff legend. How are you, man? How are you? Hey, maybe you can go on the stream sometime. So talk about the trades you're taking. You can tomorrow. I'm gonna be opening voice channels tomorrow, so we can definitely, definitely do that. Staff here, legends. Haven't seen you in a while. Been cooking. There you go. Expected that to happen. Rejection zones. We are starting good today. Price has been consolidating in a while. Just waiting for price to create more movement. Also waited for more movements yesterday to see more signals. And Excelsius did get the sell on Euro USD. So let's check that out really quick, by the way. So I think this is. Oh no. Back. Got the sell here. Here. We were in those rejection zones. This was quite high risk. But still, that was a good what? Good. Good to go back. Go back to ish. Nice. Go lower. That. Ah. Oh, the fuck was that? What was that? I saw that, but I tried to go back down here. Oh, he actually made that higher high there on the 1 minute. Oh no. It or break it. Not gonna just. Oh, there you go. Oh, if it's looking like that on 5 minutes. And yeah. Just a bit more. Just a bit more. Be patient, Jason. Any pairs that you'd like to see, guys? Write down on the comment section, chat box. Sorry, not comment section, chat box. I know. Yes. Go, go, go. We have 2 more minutes. Hey, Jason, what do you think of Euro NZD for buys? Okay. Okay, give me a sec. Half. Check that in 2 minutes. When this candle closes, I'm gonna take this trade. I'ma take this. Am I taking it on 5 or? Ooh, kind of forgot about that, huh? Okay, you know what? We'll take this at exactly 10 so we can see what our second 15-minute candle. Let's go ahead and look at staff's request here. Euro NZD for buys. We're quick. Start markup. I clean. Nope. About that. So let's do a quick. Delay. Kinda already starting to see what you're looking at here. Staff. Up. Okay. So this is a okay. But we break. Yeah, exactly. Saw that too. The break was beautiful, but we've been 3 candles in now since that break. Just worried. If you see here, price did a push up, but See like this pin here, a wick there. Guessing price push back down. Time and still that could be. Let's go now to 4 hour then. Matter, matter. Not get it. Let it get to next. Expensive. Hmm. Might get a pullback. That's what I'm thinking as well. Yeah. So like if you see here on Excelsius, right? Reason why I'm a bit iffy for the buy here is because we just recently hit this. We are looking for some buys on Euro NZD. We are looking for that buys. Then we need to do this very short term. Because as I was saying earlier in the stream, if you guys were here, price can still be moving within a rejection zone, but we're gonna see a lot more pullbacks here. Mm, especially in the 4 hour. But I know on the daily, right? Daily, we don't see it that much. But these areas are more for the really long-term traders, the big swing traders. That's why rejection zones are quite higher. But on the 4 hour, this is more intraday. This could be in about 1 to 3 days. We'll see it pushing back up or pushing back down. If we are looking for those entries though, take it from here. And do I take it here? Okay, on the sell, not on the 4 hour probably. Okay. So again, short-term buys. Yeah. So let's see. 1 hour. So this is our 4 hour. Now 4 hour. What was that? 4 hour and 4 hour high buying Celsius. 1 hour then. Still within those rejection zones. Let's see what the 15. Wow. Is you see a really good opportunity. I'm not trying to say that it's a bad opportunity. Any opportunity in the markets will always be risky, always be associated. It just depends on how you manage that risk in every trade. So, for example, here, if I will take a buy, probably be above higher high here. Stops most recent higher low. This is the 1 hour. Stops is at 71 pips. So we go 71. Want to add a little bit more, probably 90. Push this a little bit. Probably like more. Left. And yeah, this is where I would look buy. For some sells though, you can see there are actually a lot of opportunity sells. Only reason why I'm not good with the sells too, because of how price is now trying to attempt to break out of this impulsive move. That's where I see, why SAF is trying to look for some buys, because there are a lot of the higher lows already made on the weekly. On the weekly, price just broke out of this area. We are still in. We're still bearish long term, but we're trying to look for opportunities short term. Oh, we're now on our second candle. Okay, let's give me set. So yeah, probably above here, Saf. For some cells though, cells. I would go on the 1 hour. I see if I see price breaking down this lower low, I'm gonna take this out. Probably up there, ups, ending on. All right, that's a quick trade breakdown for Euro NZD. Hope you guys satisfied with what I did. Have any more questions? First chat down below. Let me know, Saf. Let me know. Okay, let's go check gold. The moment of truth. Fuck. Not put. Why are you doing? We're still within the rejection zone on the 5 minute, so I'm still a bit hopeful that it's gonna push back down. Doesn't though. I might just leave it, you know. We already missed a trade today. I don't wanna chase a trade, so that's also part of, you know, a trading discipline plan. Part of, yeah, my trading discipline. Whenever I see a play that I already missed, I don't try to get two trades or two plays a day just to get the price to fix. Price to fix, price to stabilize, and get more direction. The play that we were supposed to get here was on a 5 minute. Fortunately, already. This is exactly like 5 a.m. 5:10 a.m. T. So big announcement today for BPI. Yes, yes, sir. Have a big announcement, guys. I already told some of the viewers today. Stay tuned. Why is this happening? Okay, you know what? This is just getting too painful. I'll have the 15 minutes. I should have pulled. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. So painful. Why? Gold. Well, if any of you actually took the trade earlier than me, props to you. Shout out to you. Dumbass. And I already knew too, because the push there was quite impulsive. So still have 8 minutes for this 15. Still hope. Don't lose hope. Ah, when I see. Fill in those rejections. Push push price back down. Get those entries. Look at- Ah, should have entered quite a few. Five, five. Okay. Bye, gold. Take care. Safe. Fuck you. Let's go on our next. So we will not chase that trade anymore. That. And actually, this does go through. Only called on this live stream. Of course, have these live stream every day, Monday to Friday, except yesterday. Sorry. Yeah, trying to get more trades during New York sessions. Start of the day, start of the trading. Go and look at those buys on your. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, Saf. We could. Yeah, we could just wait for price. Tell us where we will see some opportunity. Hey, always be on the live stream, guys. Let it boot. Called last week. All this, but eventually happened from last week's Ethereum. Oh, you section. Pretty beat up. Still beat up with that gold trade. Ah man. 12 point. Said I would stop looking. It's a beautiful trade. Like, look at that guy. Look at that. Should have trusted my intuition. Entered from this bearish candle there. Could have closed profits already, actually. 6 at 5 points. What's that? 7, 6, 5 points. Started the day happy. But we're still happy nonetheless. Because analysis was on point today. Let's go. And I fucking hit my foot. Ow. Okay. Let's look at S&P. Well, this could be it. Hmm. Celsius. Tab. Minute. That. Cells. Cells. Price not able to. No prices push towards. This is give me a set price. Fucking hell. Don't do me like gold. Take this. Good. Wait. Yo, bitch. Die? Haha. Oh my. Dude, don't do to me. Please. Oh. Okay, let's fix our stops for this. Let's modify the trade. Get our stops. This is 1-to-1 plus. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna modify this trade now. This is so stressful. Okay. Price close above. Price close above. Price close above. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. A bit more. We're already in this trade, guys. If you're taking this trade with me, okay, please take some risk management consideration. This is not trading advice or financial advice. Please take note. If you lose money, it's not on me. All right, let's modify the trade, and we are now in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Having quite a good morning today on our live stream, and our new candle is above our entry point. GE. You when I don't know what it is with you, Nick, with GR30. Take a look at 8 USD. Okay. Go ahead while price fucking with me. Not look at this right now. Germany. DAX. What are we looking at? Nice shorts? Oh. Shorts here, Nick. Next favorite. Shorty shorts. Ah. Let's just have price did push back. Let's look at APE USD. The extra. Wow, it's already at 14. Well, that was expected since it did enter the rejection. That the high? Oh, that's not the high. The high is what? 39. Oh, I see what they're getting at here, sir. Yeah. Get more ape coin. Where's this? Right. Newest higher high by Excelsius. On what? Your ape coin? Oh yeah. Look at that. Hit think. Buys? Go for some buys. Fuck not. Oh. I just got caught in my. Okay. That's why you always put stop losses. Fucking hell. Get that. That was alright. God. Fuck you. Yeah, literally perfect on that. Perfect on this too. Okay, let's call the buy on Ape USD. I have no idea actually. Check. Check. Works calendar. Today is May 3 in the Philippines. Oh, shit. Job openings. USD news. Exactly 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. That's why that happened. I entered at the perfect worst moment. If that makes sense. Fuck. Should have checked that first. Ah. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Well, all good. Yeah, that is true. This was this was a high risk play anyway. We did expect price to go either direction. So yeah, did not expect too much from it. I am waiting for this 15-minute play instead. Oh no, is it 15 minute or yeah, this is the 1 hour because of how good that looked. 4 hour. Oh, let's see gold then. If this is what does gold look like? So this was the play I made. Okay. Oh, price did go back down. Missed that? No, not that. Well, that's a rejection zone. I'm still hoping that price pushes back down. This could have been the re-entry. Keep missing gold. God damn it. Gold, Goldilocks. Those your oh, staff if you're here. But still, very high risk. Very, very high risk because of those rejection zones. Mm, 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 mm. Everything. Perfect times to trade. Literally when I don't. London? I think London's last. Nick and I were talking to mentioning try to wait, stay up session. Oh my, I would love to. Still, that's a bit difficult. It's London sessions could be really good, especially like when it opens, like 2 p.m. here, 2 a.m. 2 a.m. EST. I mean, and during those times, the price move completely to the direction you are expecting, reaching New York session. No, New York session, then usually, most recently, we would already see the place already gold trade here 5 minutes. So was seen earlier, marking this down, happened at 5 5 a.m. So that's already 3 hours in London session. That long price high, first reject, second 11 tops with those two higher lows and this tag to this lower low instead. Yeah, this happened during London session. Be a good time and time difference. Well, we are gonna be ending the stream within 4 minutes. I'm ending the stream at 10:20. You guys have any questions at all? Them down below. We have a big announcement today for BPI. Really exciting. Be on the lookout on Discord and our other social channels, Instagram, and wait for that announcement to come out. Cause really quick with it. How to get started? Click on the link down below on the video description. You'll see there. Get started today. Go to www.pinksand.co. We have a multiple range of products. We have Excelsius, with which I am currently using on the stream. It is our most advanced trading algorithm. I use Celsius every trade that I take. Rejection zones with the market structure, market candles, volume, signals. So um, Celsius is our all-in-one trading tool, trading indicator that we use to gain more confidence, trades, more mindful of direction, and overall to get that better trading edge. BPI is, well, for your trading education, go over to Blue Palm Institute where you will be all of our different teaching courses, learning courses, wherein you will also be able to get free funded accounts. We have a range of 10K to $70,000 for a funded account. We also have that for Excelsius. If you get the yearly plan of Excelsius, you will be able to get free 10K funded. 2 more minutes. More minutes before we end live stream. Today was a pretty fun day. Tomorrow we will continue again and look at other opportunities. Hopefully it's not like this anymore. Fucking hate my mornings if it's like this. Might start trading in London too. At this point. 15. We are gonna be ending the live stream here. Thank you guys for everyone that watched today, for everyone that joined. Yeah, for that big announcement on BPI, and we'll see you on GG's, guys.